The promise of productivity app integrations.
Many people believe that connecting different apps boosts efficiency and saves time. Companies often advertise integrations as the key to a seamless workflow, suggesting that linking calendars, task managers, and communication tools will ensure nothing falls through the cracks. But does adding more integrations always make work easier, or can it sometimes create new challenges?
When integrations become overwhelming.
Too many integrations can actually complicate your workflow. Each new connection may introduce extra steps, settings, or notifications. Sometimes, instead of streamlining information, integrations overload users with alerts and redundant data. Managing and troubleshooting multiple app connections can take up valuable time, defeating their original purpose.
Learning curves and hidden costs.
Mastering multiple integrations takes time and effort. Each tool might have its own unique setup, quirks, or updates. Team members may need training to use integrations effectively. If the setup process is confusing or if integrations occasionally break, productivity can drop and frustration rises. The initial investment in learning doesn't always pay off immediately.
Data sync issues and compatibility.
Not all integrations work flawlessly together. There are times when data doesn't sync properly or features clash between apps. Mismatched updates or unsupported features can cause confusion or even data loss. In critical moments, reliance on imperfect integrations can disrupt workflows instead of helping.
How to make integrations work for you.
Choose integrations mindfully and review their real impact on your team. Focus on connecting apps that truly address your needs, rather than adding every available option. Regularly assess whether each integration is actually improving efficiency. By staying purposeful, you can harness the benefits of integrations without falling for the myth that more is always better.